In this video, I'm going to tell you what Chainlink does and why it's great. Basically, imagine a scenario where you're trying to get either a random number or maybe weather data or a particular stock price like Tesla, Amazon or Google down to your smart contract in a way that it's going live. You have the live data because, for example, you want to model the price of the stock, you want to model the price of the weather contracts down in your coin or in some kind of a futures contract that is available for other people to buy and play around. How would you do that? Basically, we need to have a connection with a data provider to have the live data, and this is where Chainlink comes into play. And this is really great because what Chainlink does, it allows you to build this hybrid smart contracts, as they call it, which connects blockchain with outside of the chain data, like stock prices, like weather prediction, like random numbers, like a bunch of other stuff as well. And thanks to that, people can build applications that are much more complex than if they were just using blockchain. And thanks to the Chainlink, this data that's coming from the external providers can be verified. Basically, Chainlink cares about the quality of data. So this is really great. As you can see, I'm on the website of chain.link. That's the website for Chainlink. And you can start building. You can really start building pretty fast with Chainlink. They support, for example, Ethereum. And you can really get it to use very quickly. For example, if you were to use the random numbers, there's the whole tutorial how to deploy that, how to use it in your application. They give you the code and everything. Also, the cool thing is on the other side, if you're like a data provider, you can apply to be one of the partners of Chainlink and actually make money on providing data. So they really have this business growing, and it's really cool to see because on one hand side, you have the data providers. On the other hand, you have the businesses that buy the data directly from Chainlink, the startups, the different people in the ecosystem who are using the data in order to do something with that or create a cool application. So it's really, really cool. As you can see, for example, some of the users include AV, ENS domains, Compound, Synthetics, TrueFi. It's really, really amazing. And the ecosystem is growing. So Chainlink was and is around for quite some time already, couple of years right now. You can see the price action going to the, for example, CoinGecko, looking at the max. They launched around 2017. There was the huge ICO. And of course they had this, the top was around 2021, May, when everything exploded. Then they went down, then got back a little bit by the end of the year, of the last year. And right now they're trending around $7, which is still higher than if you look at the top, which was in around the ICO period. They got this top around 2020. That was the DeFi summer because Chainlink is one of the top DeFi projects. It's ranked 24 globally for the total market cap, so that's interesting. You can see all the details here on the CoinGecko. Also, if you were to compare Chainlink to other DeFi projects, only bigger ones are Uniswap, of course, the biggest exchange, DAI, which is a stable coin, and Lido staked Ether, which is basically a wrapped version of the Ether 2.0 for after the merge. So it's also understandable. So basically, Chainlink is the biggest app next to Uniswap that is really used throughout Ethereum and other blockchains, and it's really cool. So I wanted to make this video to actually introduce you to Chainlink. Think about it. Of course, this is not a financial advice if you want to invest in Chainlink because they have a token, as I've mentioned. If you want to invest, do your own research. Think about the exposure you want to have. Generally speaking, what they're doing is legitimate business that is really necessary in the crypto world because connecting blockchain with external data providers is extremely important. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto news and crypto updates, and see you in the next video.